Welcome to our video on how to view your time on Facebook. In today's digital age, it's crucial to keep track of how much time we spend on social media platforms. Facebook has made it easier for us to monitor our usage, so let's dive into the steps to check your time on the app. First, grab your smartphone and open the Facebook app. You'll land on your home feed, but that's not where we want to be. Look for the menu icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Give it a tap. Now you'll see a list of options. We need to scroll down until we find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the menu, and then select Settings from the drop-down. In the Settings menu, you'll find various categories. We're interested in the Preferences section. Scroll down until you spot Your Time on Facebook. This is where the magic happens, so go ahead and tap on it. You're almost there. On the next screen, you'll see an option that says See Your Time. Tap on this to reveal your Facebook usage stats. Voila! You now have access to a wealth of information about your Facebook habits. You'll see a graph showing your daily time spent on the app over the past week. Below that, you can compare your average daily time for the current week versus the previous week. But wait, there's more. Swipe left to view a breakdown of your daytime versus nighttime usage. This can be eye-opening if you find yourself scrolling through Facebook when you should be sleeping. Lastly, you'll see how many times you open the app each day. This information can be particularly useful if you're trying to cut down on your social media checks. Remember, being aware of your social media usage is the first step towards maintaining a healthy digital balance. Use this feature to set goals for yourself or simply to stay informed about your online habits. Thanks for watching, and happy Facebooking. In moderation, of course.